There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. Volcanic, what can we do? It gets manic.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we are back here in Florida with another video of my van. So as y'all know, my van has tons and tons of windows. So it gets very hot here in Florida when the sun hits the windows. I'm in here right now, and this sliding door has been open getting some airflow for about an hour, and it is 92 degrees inside. So what we're going to go ahead and do is build some Reflectix window coverings and try to block some of that sunlight out, and also use them as blackout curtains for when we were camping. So y'all come along as we build these curtains, baby. Now, as we said, I have got the first one cut. As you can see, it just kind of sits up in there. You push it in, and we are going to put some fabric on the back end of that so it looks nice and pretty. So to start off, we're going to take some rough measurements with our trusty tape measure.
There's lava, volcanic, what can we do? It gets manic. I know what got powers.
So now that we have got the said measurements, we are going to go ahead and take our Sharpie, our roll of Reflectix, go ahead and make a couple marks, and then take our scissors and do some cutting. So now I went ahead and only cut one side of it, and that is so I can go ahead and test fit the one side I did cut. And now what I'm going to do is press this thing all in there, and I'm going to draw a line up here to get that nice finishing cut.
Keep it moving, yeah, they get tired. Got this energy, I don't know why. Powers.
Boom, and we got our last final little cut. We went ahead, we got everything fitting perfect. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do that 6 more times for all of these other windows. So we have got 2 on that one. We've got 2 big windows to do, and then the 2 back door windows.
4, 3, 2 in the morning. Yeah, I'm still up, you're boring. Life keeps getting better and better, and I'm not stressed, I'm snoring. It'll get messy, get gory. Simpleness not for me. I don't care about football, care about this, that, care if you're acting 40. There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava.
Driving through the New York rain, roll down my window and let the rain in. You call me by my name, too late to turn home. We chase the night away. Come on, come on, come on, come away.
All right, so next up, we have got all the Reflectix cut out. I bought some fabric that I want to go ahead and put on the interior side of these Reflectix curtains so they look a little bit better. So I am a huge fanatic of space, and as you can see right here, we have bought some space fabric. So we got some planets, some little mushrooms on them and stuff, and this is actually blacklight material. So if I have a blacklight on it, it'll blow up, so it should be pretty dope. So we're just going to start out by taking our first Reflectix window cover, and we're just going to lay it flat on top of this material, and we're just going to cut a piece of material out. So now that I went ahead and cut out a piece to glue onto the Reflectix, we are going to take our 3M glue, spray it on the back side of our Reflectix, and then I bought a paint roller, and that paint roller is going to be used to hopefully smooth on the fabric and not allow it to crinkle. So y'all come watch.
Come along, come along, come along, come away. Make me unravel. Forget but the better. I go on forever.
Once we have that front side done, we are then going to go ahead and take our glue and glue the fabric onto the back side of this cover as well.
I hear it calling, no more of hiding. And I go.
And voila, the first one is done. So now we just got to do it 7 more times.
We paint the sky green. I go on forever. I go on forever. I go on forever. I go on forever. I shouldn't want ya, I shouldn't need ya, but I'm afraid that's not up to me. Cause when I hear ya sing through my speakers, it's like my mind takes a hold of me. I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed. You're in my so sad, it just makes me cry. Feels like I know ya better than others, but you don't care, you never reply. I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed. You're in my ooh. You're in my, you're in my, you're in my making me bleed. I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed.
So we just finished up these window covers. They actually came out pretty cool. You can see I got space, mushroom space. It's getting a little late right now, but first thing tomorrow, we're gonna go ahead and test out these reflective curtains to see if they actually work with keeping this van cooler. So y'all stay tuned, baby. Good morning, y'all. So we are gonna go ahead and test how well these Reflectix covers work. So it is 9:30 in the morning right now, and the sun has been baking on these two windows. And then I have also got the Reflectix in that window. So what we're gonna do is take my laser thermometer and we're gonna beam each window, see what the temperature comes back at, and see how much this Reflectix is actually helping. All right, so we've got the first window, 133 degrees. We will then move into the back with the Reflectix. 106. I would say that Reflectix is working pretty dang well, guys. So, I mean, that's a 25 degree temperature swing. That's gonna help keep the van a lot cooler, or at least to maintain its coolness, you know, if you have an AC running, or even while you're driving down the road. So I highly recommend that y'all build some. If you guys have any questions about how I built these, just feel free to drop them in the comments below. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks, bye.
This coldness.